So the police station is very similar to the fire station. It's also a 3-story building. The police station has a little bit more bricks, 668, as opposed to the 540 of the fire station. But I do think the fire station has a little bit more interactivity in there, because the fire truck can actually shoot and the helicopter can also shoot some water, and there are a few little fires to put out. But of course, the police station, I think, speaks a little bit more to the imagination of the crooks that can escape. There are a few ways for the crook to escape, because the wall can come off very easily here. It's designed that way so he can escape from his cell. There's another crook with a disguise that can drive the garbage truck, so he can help his buddy escape when he goes and picks up the trash. So that's also pretty fun. Both sets have a dog, and I think both have the same amount of characters, 4 characters. Both have a very similar helicopter. It's the same design, same basic design here, but the helicopter for the fire station has the ability to shoot Lego water blocks. They both have coffee cups and a few workstations inside the building. So although I think the fire station is a little bit more interactive, the police station is also very great for imaginative play.